Hello students, I welcome all of you in Kenes Educare. Today we are learning data handling. This chapter is from your 8 mathematics NCERT. तो ये स्टार्ट करते हैं आज के इस लेक्चर को. तो स्टूडेंट, चांस एंड प्रोबेबिलिटी. Sometimes it happens that during rainy season you are carry a raincoat every day and it does not rain for many days. However, by chance one day you forgot to take a raincoat and it rains heavily on that day. Correct? So oh my raincoat, I forget that one. Correct? और उसी टाइम पे रेन आ जाता है. Sometimes it so happens that a students prepare 4 chapters out of 5 very well for the test, but a major question is asked from the chapter that she left unprepared. ऐसा होता है ना आपके साथ भी कई बार. आप क्या करते हो, मैथमेटिक्स का टेस्ट है तो आपको पता है कि 5 चैप्टर्स पे टेस्ट आने वाली है, तो आप क्या करते हो मोस्टली आपको लगता है कि यस पहले 4 चैप्टर्स हम प्रिपेयर करके चलते हैं, 5th चैप्टर ज़रा डिफ़िकल्ट है तो उस पर कुछ क्वेश्चन नहीं आएंगे, हम ऐसे गेस करते हैं. बट क्या होता है मोस्टली 5th चैप्टर पे ही ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन आ जाते हैं. ऐसा हो जाता है ना. यस, तो ये कभी भी हो सकता है अनप्रिपेयर्ड वाला. कैसे यहाँ पर एवरीवन नोज दैट अ पर्टिकुलर ट्रेन रन्स इन अ टाइम बट द डे यू रीच वेल इन द टाइम इट्स अ लेट. ओके, ऐसा भी होता है कि वो जो ट्रेन है हर दिन टाइम पे आती है, जब जब आप भी जाते हो तभी वो टाइम जो ट्रेन है लेट हो जाती है. ओके, और समटाइम्स ऐसा भी होता है अगर आपको देर हो गई तो उसी दिन पे हर दिन ट्रेन लेट आती है, और जब आपको लेट होता है तो तब उस टाइम पे ट्रेन जो है टाइम पे आके चली जाती है. ऐसा भी होता है ना कंडीशन. आपने देखा होगा बस के लिए, आपके स्कूल बस के लिए भी आपने ये सिचुएशन देखा होगा. सो यू फेस अ लॉट ऑफ सिचुएशन सच एज दिस वेयर यू टेक अ चांस एंड इट डज नॉट गो द वे यू वॉन्ट इट टू. करेक्ट. सो यू कैन गिव द सम मोर एग्जाम्पल. आप देखिए आपके पास बहुत सारे ऐसे क्वेश्चन होंगे 100%. सो दीज आर एग्जाम्पल्स वेयर द चांसेस ऑफ अ सर्टन थिंग हैपनिंग आर नॉट इक्वल. The chances of the train being in a time or being late are not the same. When you buy a ticket which is the wait listed, you do take a chance and you hope that it might get confirmed by the time you travel. We however consider her certain experiments whose results have an equal chance of occurring. So students, देखिए, getting a result, you might have seen that before a cricket match starts, captains of the two teams go out to toss a coin and to decide which team will be the bat first. Correct? So what are the possible result you get when a coin is tossed? Of course, head और tail इनमें से कोई एक होगा. क्या हेड और टेल में से कोई डिफरेंट थोड़ी ना आने वाला है. या तो एक तो हेड होगा या तो टेल होगा. Imagine that you are the captain of the one team and your friend is the captain of the other team. You toss a coin and ask your friend to make the call. You can control the result of the toss. Correct? So can you get a head if you want one, or a tail if you want that? No, that is not possible. सच एन एक्सपेरिमेंट्स इज कॉल्ड रैंडम एक्सपेरिमेंट. हम उसे क्या कहते हैं, रैंडम एक्सपेरिमेंट कहते हैं. हेड और टेल आर द टू आउटकम्स ऑफ दिस एक्सपेरिमेंट. करेक्ट ना. यहाँ पर रिजल्ट क्या आने वाला है, हेड और टेल. एक तो हेड आएगा नहीं तो टेल आएगा, इसके अलावा कुछ आने वाला नहीं है. डिफरेंट यहाँ पर रिजल्ट नहीं होगा. So students, equally likely outcomes. A coin is tossed several times and the number of times we get head or tail is noted. Now let's look at the result sheet where we keep on increasing the tosses. Okay, so number of tosses देखिए यहाँ पर 50 है. टैली मार्क्स यहाँ पर हमने किया है. नंबर ऑफ हेड्स यहाँ पर 27, टैली मार्क्स यहाँ पर है, एंड द नंबर ऑफ टेल्स यहाँ पर दिया. ओके, एंड सो ऑन यहाँ पर डेटा यहाँ पर आपको दिख रहा है. करेक्ट. सो इक्वली लाइक्स आउटकम्स यहाँ पर दिया है. तो स्टूडेंट्स, ऑब्जर्व दैट एज यू इंक्रीज द नंबर ऑफ टॉसेज मोर एंड मोर, द नंबर ऑफ हेड्स एंड द number of tails come closer and closer to each other. So this could also be done with the die. When tossed a large number of times, number of each of the 6 outcomes become almost equal to each other. In such cases, we may say that the different outcomes of the experiment are equally likely. This means that each of the outcomes has the same chance of occurring. Correct? So linking chances to the probability. Consider the experiment of tossing a coin once. What are the outcomes? उसके outcome क्या होंगे? There are only 2 outcomes, head or tail. Both the outcomes are equally likely. Likelihood of getting a head is the two outcomes, that is 1 upon 2. In other words, we say that the probability of getting head is equal to 1 upon 2. So what is the probability of getting tail? Now take the example throwing a die marked with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on its faces, one number on the face. If you throw its ones, what are the outcomes? It becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Thus there are 6 equally likely outcomes. So what is the probability of getting the outcome 2? कितनी हो सकती है प्रोबेबिलिटी? सो नंबर ऑफ आउटकम्स गिविंग 2 यहाँ पर 1 आएगा अपॉन 6 में से. सो नंबर ऑफ इक्वली लाइकली आउटकम्स यहाँ पर 6 है. सो यहाँ पर आंसर आता है 1 upon 6. What is the probability of getting a number 5? What is the probability of getting number 7? What is the probability of getting number 1 through 6? It's a 1 upon 6. So students, outcomes as events. Each outcomes of an experiment or a collection of outcomes make an event. For example, in the experiment of tossing a coin, getting a head is an event and getting a tail is also an event. In case of throwing a die, getting each of the outcomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 is an event. Is getting an event number an event? Since an event number could be 2, 4 or 6, getting an even number is also an event. So what is the probability of getting the even number? So 1, 2, 3, there are the 3 numbers. So 3 numbers, number of outcomes that make the event यहाँ पर 3 है, and total number of outcomes of the experiment is 6. Example number 3 देखिए students, a bag has a 4 red balls and 2 yellow balls. The balls are identical in all respects other than color. A ball is drawn from the bag without looking into a bag. What is the probability of getting a red ball? Is it more or less than getting a yellow ball? देखिए there are in all 4 plus 2 6 outcomes of the event. Getting a red ball outcomes of 4 outcomes. Okay, why? Because there are the 4 red balls. So therefore the probability of getting a red ball is 4 upon 6 मतलब 2 upon 3. In the same way, the probability of getting yellow ball is 2 upon 6 मतलब 1 upon 3. So can you say 2 upon 3 and 1 upon 3? Which one is the greater one? 2 upon 3 is greater than, means probability यहाँ पर क्या होगी? जो रेड बॉल है वो ज़्यादा आने की ज़्यादा संभाव्यता यहाँ पर है. ओके, सो प्रोबेबिलिटी इज गेटिंग अ रेड बॉल इज मोर as comparatively yellow ball. So therefore probability of getting a red ball is more than that of the getting yellow ball. Okay, chance and probability related to real life. We talk about the chance that it rains just on the day when we do not carry a raincoat. What could you say about the chance in terms of probability? Could it be 1 in the 10 days during a rainy season? The probability that it rains is then 1 upon 10. The probability that it does not rain 9 upon 10. Okay, so assuming raining or not raining on a day are equally likely. So the use of probability is made in various cases in a real life to find characteristics of a large group by using a small part of the group. For example, during election, an exit poll is taken. This involves asking the people whom they have voted for, and when they come out after voting at the centers which are chosen offhand and distributed over the whole area. So this gives an idea of chance of winning of each candidate, and predictions are made based on it accordingly. Okay, and meteorological department predicts weather by observing trends from the data over many years in the past. तो स्टूडेंट्स, अब तक हमने क्या क्या डिस्कस किया है इस पूरे चैप्टर में. द डेटा मोस्टली अवेलेबल टू अस इन द अनऑर्गेनाइज फॉर्म इज कॉल्ड द रॉ डेटा. In order to draw meaningful inference from the any data, we need to organize the data systematically. Then after that, frequency gives the number of times that a particular entry occurs. Raw data can be grouped and presented systematically through group frequency distribution. Group data can be presented using histogram. Histogram is a type of bar graph where the class intervals are shown on the horizontal axis and the heights of the bar shows the frequency of the class interval. Also, there is a no gap between the bars as there no gap between the class intervals. And students, data can also presented using circle graph or a pie chart. A circle graph shows the relationship between the whole and its part. There are certain experiments whose outcomes have an equal chance of occurring, a random experiment is one whose outcome cannot be predicted exactly in advance, and outcomes of the experiment are equally likely if each has the same chance of occurring. So probability of an event is equal to number of outcomes that makes an event upon total number of outcomes of the experiment when the outcomes are equally likely. One or more outcomes of an experiment make an event, and chances and the probability are related to रियल लाइफ. ओके, तो इसी के साथ ही हमारा लेक्चर नंबर 3 यहाँ पर एंड होता है. तो मिलते हैं अभी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू.